Arts, Social Sciences, and Humanities. The Arts, Social Sciences, and Humanities cluster focuses on understanding people, society, culture, communication, and creative expression. This cluster is ideal for students who enjoy reading, writing, analyzing social issues, and exploring how individual and society interact and develop. Students in this cluster may study electives such as creative writing, Philippine literature, social sciences, and theory and practice. Politics and governance, citizenship and civic engagement, cultural study, and communication studies. These subjects allow students to explore ideas related to history, politics, culture, language, and human behavior. Through these subjects, students develop important skills such as creative thinking, effective communication, creative expression, research skills, and social awareness. Many activities in this cluster involve writing essays, analyzing social issues, discussing historical events, creating literary works, and studying cultural practices. The Arts, Social Sciences, and Humanities cluster prepares students for a variety of college courses, including psychology, political sciences, sociology, journalism, communication, arts, education, public administration, international studies, and law. This program lead to careers such as teacher, journalists, writers, lawyers, diplomats, social workers, government official, and researcher. Students who are passionate about understanding society, discussing important social issues, expressing ideas creatively, or communicating with people will benefit greatly from the learning opportunities in this cluster. By studying subjects related to human behavior, culture, and communication, students in this cluster develop a deeper understanding of the world and the role they can play in shaping society.